Why, hello. It's me, MrSasaki again, for part 3 of our tone talk. Alright, so we again review. Speed, weight, and placement are 3 factors that go into creating tone in our triangle here. But how do we, test it on here, So one possibility is to sort of just get pieces of paper or note cards, write speed, slow, medium, and fast, 3 different cards. Weight, light, medium, heavy. Placement, fingerboard, middle, bridge. And then just kind of pick a card and play an excerpt that you're working on with that factor in mind. Keep in mind, nothing is mutually exclusive. They all work together. But to create the best tone with one of those things in your focus, okay? So one thing that I found that's kind of fun is this little app called Tiny Decisions. There's a whole bunch of random generators, but I created those choices on this wheel. So I'm going to spin my wheel and see what it tells me to do. So it's saying that I should do medium weight. I'm going to choose something more interesting. That's not very interesting for me right now. Let's see. Placement in the middle. Well, let's do it. So let's use medium weight and placement in the middle. Twinkle, twinkle. The hardest song ever. Let's do it. Okay. Success, I think. Let's try one more spin. But it's kind of fun, right? It's like you're like in a little game show. Speed, fast. Okay. So that means fast bows. So let's try it. Over exaggerated, right? But a challenge. And so again, throughout all of this, the idea is to experiment, have fun, and to try getting out of your comfort zone, because the more we can sort of stretch our outer limits, and like I said in the last video, we have a crazy triangle that's stretching and flexing, the more possibilities we have in expressing ourselves when we play, and the more fun it is.